So walking through our 3 different product lines that we manufacture for Toyota 4-wheel drive trucks. We have our D-line OEM performance pad and rotor upgrade. So this is a high level pad and rotor upgrade. Not something you're gonna buy on Amazon. This is properly engineered. This is a high level brake kit. Then we do our M-line caliper kit. So this is a performance caliper kit that replaces your Toyota 4-piston caliper with a billet aluminum 6-piston caliper. But if you need new rotors, you can then add the D-line into the installation. So you're now combining a high-level OEM size rotor with a performance upgraded 6-piston caliper. And then our halo product, so our highest level product, is our X-line big brake kit. This is a 6-piston caliper also, but larger, with our largest brake pad available, and then a bigger rotor with a lot of technology that's been designed into it. So it's got curved cooling vanes, it's got air that it'll suck air into the center of the rotor, bring those temperatures down. So that just walks you through the 3 different options. Have a look at our website. We've got a lot of information that links the correct option to what your application is on the vehicle.